Alrighty, so today we're going to be 3D printing a Christmas tree. This Christmas tree is really interesting. It has these poles that stick out everywhere on it. And the idea behind this is when the part gets printed, it will drape plastic along the outer edge, making this really cool drape effect. So let's get started with the print. Alrighty, the two Christmas trees are done. I ended up printing two of them. Printed one smaller, kind of a test Christmas tree. And this Christmas tree is really interesting because of the fact that it's so fluffy. I'm amazed. Unlike other parts, they seem so solid, like for instance our 3D printed wrench that we did a week ago. And you can see that it's just, it's a solid piece. It's solid. It doesn't have a leafy kind of feel. And these trees have a really leafy, kind of soft feel to them. Almost like a broom. So cool. I love the look of this tree. And then I decided a Christmas tree would not be complete without a star. So I went ahead and 3D printed a Christmas star to go on top of the Christmas tree. There we go. Our Christmas tree is complete now. Look how beautiful that tree looks. Have a Merry Christmas. As always, leave a comment if you have something you want to see printed, and we'll see you next week.